Can you solve this equation? It is impossible to solve this equation algebraically. However, by trial and error, we can get x equals 2 and 4. But, are they the only solutions? Solving this equation is the same as finding the intersection between the curve y equals x squared and y equals 2 to the power x. From the graph, we can see that they intersect at x equals 2 and 4, which aligns with our previous discussion. For the remaining one, it is between -1 to 0. But, what is it? In Excel, there is a function called goal seat, which allows us to solve equations. In this case, go to cell E2 and put any number close to the exact solution. I chose 0 here. In cell F2, type the formula with cell E2 as the variable. Then, go to Data. What if analysis, and choose goal seat. We want the value of cell F2 to be 0 by changing cell E2. Then, you can see x should be around -0.766. That's how you solve equations using Excel. I hope it helps. See you next time.